Is LinkedIn the new Facebook? Guys, we are seeing organic, explosive growth of LinkedIn videos, the kind of growth that we have not seen since 2012 on Facebook. Right now, LinkedIn video is hot. I'm working with an HR client that got over 10,000 views on their first LinkedIn video in 24 hours. I am going to break down the strategy that we used for this client so that you can get on LinkedIn video and make the most of the explosive growth happening right now. So, are you ready? Hey entrepreneurs, I'm Salma Jafri. I am a video content strategist and you are in the right place if you want to grow your personal brand with video. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon if you want to be the first to know when I upload a new video. So LinkedIn video is growing. I'm very bullish on it. It's going really rapidly. Anything that you put up on LinkedIn right now requires a few basic strategy steps, and you get those right and you can get some great growth on LinkedIn. So before we get into the steps, let's get the basics out of the way. 3 basics. Get your profile up to speed. Fill all of the sections of your profile. Get it up to like 95%, 100%, all-star, filled out, and make sure that your profile focuses especially on the aspect of your business that you are promoting right now. The aspect of my business that I'm promoting right now is as a conference speaker and as a workshop training facilitator, and that is the focus of my LinkedIn profile at this time if you go and take a look at it. So make sure you fill your entire profile in. The second basic step, get your profile picture in there, go get a professional headshot, make sure it looks good and it represents you. Do not use anything other than a headshot of you. The third basic step you want to make sure you have is try and get up to 500 connections on LinkedIn. Now, if you've been on LinkedIn for a while, this may have happened over time, but if you are short a few connections or a few hundred connections, then try and send out connection requests to people who are in your network and get those connections up, because after 500, LinkedIn stops counting and shows people that this person has over 500 connections, which shows you as somebody who is well connected, who is well networked, and therefore more people are gonna wanna connect with you and they're gonna wanna check out your profile and see what you are up to. Get these 3 basic steps out of the way and then let's get into the strategy for getting over 10,000 views per video on LinkedIn. So step 1, think of creating a show on LinkedIn, not a one-off video. Now, here's what's happening. The LinkedIn app is here. People are using the LinkedIn app, but they're using it in bits and spurts. They take a look at the app, they go through their newsfeed, they see what's happening. They don't have a lot of time to consume your content. So think daily tips, think short bits of motivation, think quick things. So what we're doing for our client, Paul, is making daily HR tips videos for his HR consultancy and for his HR startup. And that is working really well. He's getting over 1,000 views per video, over 10,000 views on his first video. And I'm going to break down how the first video did so well coming up. So stay tuned for step 2, where I tell you what to do in your first video. So step 2 is to make an announcement. Announce your video show. The reason that you want to do this is because people want to anticipate that you're going to be a regular content creator. You're going to be somebody that they can learn from, that they can follow. What the announcement does is that it gets the LinkedIn community together. Everyone is going to come and support you and they're going to congratulate you. They're going to be like, we can't wait to see what you're going to be doing, and we are here. And so what you want to do is make an announcement video announcing your video show on LinkedIn. To make your announcement video, simply use your existing smartphone, put it up in front of you on a tripod, either in portrait mode or landscape mode, and upload natively to LinkedIn, which means that you're not linking to a video somewhere else, but you're actually making a video upload post, right? And in that announcement video, tell everybody what's going to be coming up, make it really, really short, 1 to 2 minutes maximum. All right, step 3 is to give context. Now you can give context in 2 ways. Firstly, you could add a transcription to all of your LinkedIn videos because they autoplay without audio. So if you want to really grab that attention, you can add a transcription by going to your editing software and adding that in. Alternatively, something else that you can do, which is not as high tech, is to give context in your actual LinkedIn text post that accompanies your LinkedIn video. Now, here's how to do it. When you are scrolling LinkedIn content inside the feed, the first 2 lines are typically what people see before they click on read more. So what you want to do is make the first 2 lines your hook. Give them a really compelling reason for why they should watch your video. So if you put the hook as the context for why people should watch the video, and then you can add more text and more explanations and description of what the video is about, and then ask people to go check out the video, that becomes a contextual, powerful strategy to use to add more depth to your video. Here's some examples of hooks that we are using for our HR client. Take a look. Step 4 on LinkedIn is to use hashtags. Hashtags are back and they are prominent on LinkedIn. You want to make sure that you're using at least a few hashtags, especially use LinkedIn video as a hashtag. And if that's your first video, use my first video. What you're going to see is that the LinkedIn community is going to band around you and they're going to come and support you. It is right now a very, very supportive place. And if you use these hashtags, they're going to know this is your first video. You're just getting started. And they're going to come out and give you some encouragement. So use hashtags, these ones, as well as industry-specific ones that are relevant to the content that you're creating. All right, and step 5 is to tag people, especially if you're mentioning them in your video. So maybe you're talking about your startup and you're talking about the people who helped you to start up, or who gave you advice, or who were your mentors, or people who encouraged you. Tag them. That is going to make sure that your video gets seen by more people, because when you tag them, they're going to come and check it out. And every like, every comment, every share makes sure that that video gets shown to more and more people in their network. And when you comment on their videos, it gets shown to your network. When they come and comment on your video, it gets shown to their network. So it is a great strategy for, getting more exposure. So make sure that you tag people, but make sure it's relevant. Don't spam tag people. Make sure you're actually mentioning them in the video, or what you're saying in the video is somehow related to them and you want to get their opinion on the video that you're making. So you could tag them that way as well. You could say, hey, what do you think about this topic? I'd love to know what your opinions are, and then tag them and get them to converse in the comments and add their perspective. The best way to create daily LinkedIn video content is to work in batches. So if you can work and identify a content theme that you can get on board with for the entire week or the entire month, and you can stay ahead of your LinkedIn content strategy. To know more about how to build a video content plan for your channels, whether it's YouTube or LinkedIn or anywhere, be sure to click the link in the description to my course on how to create a video content plan. As soon as that course is ready, the link is going to be in the description. Remember to go after what you want and build a brand you love, because you can be the media. I would love to know in the comments what you think about LinkedIn video right now. Put it down, your thoughts. I want to know. Be the Media Mastermind is here. You want in? Go to bethemedia.salmajafri.com and sign up for your free trial today. See you inside. All of a sudden, LinkedIn organic views are spiraling, especially on LinkedIn videos, at a rate not seen circa 2012. I have to say 2012. All right, again, from the top.